Hello, welcome to CMB Canada Mortgage. Today we have XMC Mortgage Corporation. We have Mrs. Melanie Lapointe presenting on the XMC Extra Green and Simplicity. Thank you.
Thanks, Victor. So as you invited me here, it's simply to touch base on our insured products. Xceed also offers a suite of uninsured, which we'll set up in early January to come back and discuss. But today we're simply touching base on our insured product, and it's a very simple product. Xceed is trying to keep everything very simple. Our niche is to offer the best price, the best comp, one of the cheapest buy downs, which is unlimited. So we'll touch base on all of that as I'm going through the product. So as it stands, Xceed offers two products. We have our AAA Extra Green product and our Simplicity. The Extra Green is our fully featured mortgage solution. It's also the only solution that we can do bulk insurance under. So for your conventional deals where your client does not want to pay the premium, it's still insured, but they could actually put down their 20% and 25% and not have to get charged the premium. This is the only product under the Extra Green that we will offer no premium. Simplicity is a higher ratio product. So the 5-year AAA Extra Green is a 2020 prepayment privilege. It's for purchase only, high ratio or conventional, and it can be discharged at any time with penalty. Penalty for Xceed is 3 months interest or IRD. The greater of the two, IRD is calculated discount to discount. Now, as you can see, the rate sheet is usually the best way to follow with our product. Loan to value up to 75% is 3.04 on our 5-year, and that's no premium. And the 3 is 299, no premium. Any loan to values between 75.1 and 80 is at 3.14. And this is simply because the cost of bulk insurance is more for us. So it goes on to the rate. Same for 3 years, 3.09, no premium. So anything high ratio or anything that won't qualify for bulk insurance through the insurer would fall into our high ratio category. So 299 and 284 for the 3-year, and there would be a premium in these ones. So for the Extra Green 5-year, it pays 125, and the 3-year is at 100. Buy down for these products, for any 5-year product, it's 17.5 basis points for every 5 in rate that you want to buy down. Xceed has no limitations to how much you could buy down. You could buy down as much as you're being paid. I'm sure you're going to want to try to make some money from this, so you're not going to go all the way down. But there's no cap. As much as you're being paid, you could buy it down to be more competitive. So really, in a nutshell, this is our most favorite product because it covers more aspects of the insured world, the conventional, the high ratio. It's not restricted. But when you have your first-time home buyers, we really push the Simplicity because most of them are not looking to refinance or do any changes to their mortgages in the first 5 years. Because this is a high ratio product, they usually have less down payment as well, so it's a nice product to put them in. The product features for this one is 1010 prepayment privilege and can only be discharged in the case of refinance with Xceed or sale of the property. Now, due to the new changes with Xceed, refinance means refinance into our B side. So really it's a locked in unless they sell, or they really absolutely need to refinance into the B world. So this product pays 80 basis points. Again, the same buy down applies. And we try to stay very competitive when it comes to those two aspects. Xceed, as I said, insures through CMHC and Genworth. Genworth is the only one that offers us the bulk insurance, so we follow their guidelines. All in all, we follow insurer requirements for all aspects. So as long as it meets GDS, TDS requirements, which is 680 plus 3944 or 680 under 3542, then we will support the deal and submit it through to the insurer. Just make sure. Let me change this here. 1 second. Just to get some highlights here. Now, this is an older presentation. I have to apologize. Our highlights on our product to have a couple little things which I will point out for you. So again, we insure through CMHC and Genworth. Our minimum beacon score is 660. We're more interested in the higher quality deals when it comes to insured files. Anything below this, not something we're going to really look at. We may look at it under our B program. But 660 and up is our sweet spot. Those are the deals we like, and the deals we're going to entertain. We have no minimum square footage has changed. For condos, we will do 450 square foot. And for houses, 750. If it doesn't have a basement, it has to have 1,000 square feet. We also offer the home warranty system, so free for 12 months on a 5 and 3 year term. It covers all major appliances. You have your furnace, your AC, your plumbing, your electrical. If anything happens, they could call them. It's a $50 fee to come in and review, and they're covered up to $10,000 of repairs. Minimum loan amount is the other thing that has changed. Our minimum loan amount is now $100,000. 75 will not be considered. If it is, it's case by case. But in most cases, they want to see the loans above 100,000, which with your program shouldn't be too much of an issue as you're looking for the higher loans. Our maximum loan amount is $1 million. As per the insurer, the new changes, the value cannot exceed $1 million. So it has to be within the $1 million mark for us to consider value, and loan amount cannot exceed it. Minimum amortization is 20 years, and our rate hold is 120 days for all rates, for all products. We do private sales. Private sales, they would require an appraisal. And even on our A side, we will allow you to do second mortgages up to 90% of the value. But all in all, when it comes to our insured product, it is insurer requirements. So here's some details on our AAA Xtra Green product, and then I'll move it down. That's pretty much it. If you know the insurer guidelines, you should be able to put the deal together, make sure it meets the requirements, and send it through for approval. Any questions? Victor, do I need to?